With Russia's SAM system having large problems intercepting some of Ukraine's weapon systems, GMLRS rockets have always been very effective against all of Russia's SAM systems, never coming over 50% interception rate, even in the best of conditions. With many times the system doesn't even react and try and shoot down the incoming missiles. Seen here again from a previously unpublished video, showing a Pantsir getting hit perfectly by a GMLRS rocket, seeing the radar searching for targets with interception missile exploding on top, but with no attempt to shoot them down, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.